Hi, this is Bharati, who just came from India on a project, and she just got a Bhagavad Gita and Krishna book. I have few questions to ask.
Sure.
How did you feel to get a Bhagavad Gita?
I was very overwhelmed because for a long time I was planning to get a Bhagavad Gita book, but it is like the older versions are really big, and it's like only there is a notation that only old people they usually go into it, and it's not for people to read and all that. But I what my father used to say every time. If you are a true Hindu, you have to actually go to the essence of Bhagavad Gita, because it says how a man should be, what a god is, what is his religious path about it. And as you say, Hinduism is really complex because we have a lot of gods, a lot of ritual practices, a lot of different yajnas, different. It's really really so much that people don't know what to follow, how to do, what to what religion is all about. Now that there is an one way of people describing it as all yogis, you have to go to Himalayas, you should try to do all tough rituals. No, that's not what religion is all about. You have to understand what your religion is, and you have to get that feeling. It is like God is one. Whether you see him as Krishna or Rama, it's all going to be one. And what you're going to achieve by being a religious person. You don't have to be so religious enough, know all the scriptures. No, that's not what you're supposed to. You have to understand the religious to help people, to spread that feelingness in people, make them believe the religion, and they have to have a trust in God so that they feel relaxed. They can concentrate on other works. So that is what is all religion about. And Bhagavad Gita is a crisp, four-line phrases of what it is about. And it has a lot of things we should actually come to know, and we should follow them in our life.
Were you happy to get a Bhagavad Gita?
Yeah, really. So much overwhelmed. Yeah, my parents also would be.
What do you think about distributing 25,000 of such books?
That's a very good initiative, I should say, from your end. It will make people, understand. Then most of the people, they would actually, have a feeling like me. Where to get one? But people might laugh. The Bhagavad Gita book? Are you crazy? But it's like you are helping our people, because that's what we are looking for, and I think that's a really good initiative. Probably we should have, more people into it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.